Good morning, children. Welcome to Standard 3 E.V.S. class. Today we will do Chapter 8, These Flyers. We will see how birds are different from other animals. How are birds different from other animals? They are only animals with feathers on their wings that help them to fly. They are the only animals with beaks. These features make them different from other animals. Now, what are the features that helps bird to fly? What help birds to fly? Hollow and light bones. Birds have hollow and light bones that help them to fly. Strong muscles attached to wings. A streamlined body that cuts through the air easily. Children, you know the feathers on bird's body are non-living thing. The old feathers fall off and new feathers grow in its place. This is called molting. A bird's body is covered with three kinds of feathers. The three kinds of feathers, children, are flight feathers, down feather and body feathers. Flight feathers are long and help birds to fly and to change direction. Down feathers are soft and short and they keep the bird warm. Body feathers give shape to the body. It covers the body of the bird. Children, you all have seen nest of birds. Now, why do birds build nest? Birds build nest to lay eggs and to keep their babies safe. They use cotton, thread, twigs, leaves, etc. to make their nest. Now let's discuss about different types of nest made by birds. Of nests. Bulbuls, they make cup-shaped nests in hedges and bushes. Eagles and vultures, they use twigs to make crude nest on the top of the trees. Woodpeckers, they make nest in the form of holes in the tree trunk. Cuckoos do not make their nest. They are lazy birds, so they lay their eggs in the nest of other birds. Birds make sound. Why do birds make sound? Birds make sound, children, to communicate with the other birds. For example, the sound made by crow is called caws. Pigeon coos. Hen clucks. Some birds have very melodious sound. Their sound is very pleasant to hear. These birds are quail, magpie, canary. Some birds, their sound is very harsh. We don't like to hear their sound. And like for example, crow. There are other birds like parrots and mynas. They can copy human sound. Flying differently. Children, all birds fly differently. Some fly very high, some fly at a low height. So let's see how these birds fly. Cranes, geese. These are birds that fly long distances. They cover long distances. Hence, peacock They fly short distances. Eagles and vultures fly high in the sky. Birds fly, but all birds do not fly, children. There are some flightless birds that cannot fly because they have heavy body and their wings are short. Two examples of flightless birds: emu and ostrich. Emu and ostrich are two flightless birds. Feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet. Birds have 2 feet with toes in each foot. They use their claws to catch and hold food. They also use their claw to fight their enemies. Migration. What is migration? Migration is mass movement of birds in search of food and favorable places to breed. Siberian cranes and Arctic tern are two examples of migratory birds. Very often you must have seen birds flying high in the pattern of V. They are migratory birds. Now children, let's have a quick recall of what we have read today. We read what made birds different from other animals. We read and discussed different types of feathers and the nests made by birds. Different birds make different sound and what is migration. Read your lesson so that you can understand the chapter. Thank you.